Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Honor 600 Lite 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your screen protector is not applied properly on the screen but is going off to the sides of the phone, then it's already causing our touchscreen to be less responsive. And even if you don't feel it, then that's the case basically. But now, if your screen is placed properly, it's not a cheap quality one, it's good, you can leave it. But for the case, if your case is covering the bezel, the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone is going onto the screen, what can happen is your screen can become really unresponsive. You won't be able to do anything. Imagine this is a case holding it, and I cannot click on anything. So make sure to remove the case if that's what's happening. And the next thing you guys want to do is clean the screen with a microfiber cloth. So the microfiber cloth is a real game changer here. Of course, we got it right here, and we're gonna give our screen a little bit of a clean. Now make sure to not go hard on the device so you don't damage anything or it just doesn't slip out of your hand and destroy it. But we got it, and as you guys can see, it is very clean now. This is how you guys can see it through the light. There's no fingerprints, and that's basically what we wanted to achieve here. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna force restart the phone to refresh the system. So we're gonna press the power button and the volume up button. Now press the power button and the volume down button and hold it for more than 10 seconds. So ignore the screenshot taken, just keep on holding it until the screen goes black. Now it's gone black, we can let go. We should see the Honor logo and the phone is forced restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the restart, as a last resort, what you guys can do is simply go over and update your software. So go to settings. Now in those settings, swipe down to system and updates, and here tap on software update, the first option. Now it's checking for the latest version. If you're not on the latest version, just like me, so I am on the latest one, but if you're not, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to get rid of any old glitches on your device, so they don't just stay in place. You update them and they're gone. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.